In this video, we talk about leveling blocks. There are many ways to level an RV. Some, let's just say, are more creative than others. So we wanted to show you not only how we level our motorhome, but also why we set it up the way we do. Our older motorhome does not have leveling jacks. So let's go over a few of the reasons we've decided not to use a leveling system. The first is your tires. Your tires are at the widest point supporting your RV. All jack systems for motorhomes are further into the center of the rig. Many motorhome owners get sway even with the jacks extended. This is because the jacks have to be extended all the way down past the tires level, jacking the tires off the ground. The longer the jack pull position, the more sway. To compensate for this, many motorhome owners put blocks under the lifted up tires, which to me is more work than just parking on the blocks in the first place. And second is the cost of a new leveling system, the cost of maintenance to maintain the system, and the lower clearance under the motorhome. So for those reasons, we've decided to drive up on blocks. So the next question is, when I drive up on blocks, am I afraid of driving off of them? Not if you know the secret. The secret is having extra blocks. So this is what we did. We purchased not one, but 3 sets of the orange leveling blocks at Walmart. You can find these located in the automotive RV section of the store. These are called Lynx Levelers RV leveling blocks, and they come in a 10-pack. Lynx recommends that the blocks, which resemble Legos, be stacked in a pyramid. This sounds okay for simple leveling, and I'm sure these directions were also needed for product liability. However, these blocks are extremely versatile, and while I have to recommend their directions, at least you'll understand why we chose our method of leveling. For example, if I need to level to 3 blocks, I place 1 block next to the tire, then stack 2 blocks next to that, then stack 3 blocks next to that. But here's the secret. I stack another 3 blocks next to that. I drive on the blocks and I have no worries because I have plenty of extra blocks to drive on and to stop. After I've leveled, I simply remove the blocks from the tires that I'm not on. Now I look like a professional without being one. But wait, what happens if I'm still sticking too far out in the parking lot? Do I come off the blocks and start all over? No, I don't. I simply add additional sets of blocks and then back up on those. Very simple. When I'm ready to leave, I simply just put a few step-down blocks and drive off. Extremely simple. I hope this idea helps with your RVing. Until next time, happy RVing. Thank you so much for spending some time with us today. If you get a chance, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you.